Want to protect your personal information on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make your Facebook account completely private. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Then tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Then go to Settings. Now scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility, tap on Profile Locking. Then tap on Lock Your Profile at the bottom. This is an extra step to be more private. By doing so, other people can't freely see your posts. Now tap on OK. Then tap on Learn More. Then tap on See Your Profile at the bottom. This is how your profile would look like to other people who are not your friends. You can be extra safe by going back. Then here, tap on How People Find and Contact You. Then set all the options to as limited as possible. Tap on the blue icon next to each option. Then tap on Friends of Friends for the first one, Only Me for the second one, and so on. And this is how to make your Facebook account completely private. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.